Welcome students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Taking the chapter Money and Credit forward. In this series, we will discuss about deposit with banks. The other form in which people hold money is as deposit with the bank. At a point of time, people need only some currency for their day-to-day needs. For instance, workers who receive their salaries at the end of each month have extra cash at the beginning of the month. What do people do with this extra cash? They deposit money with the banks by the opening a bank account in their name. Banks accepted the deposit and also pay an amount as interest on deposit. When you open a deposit account in bank, when people open a deposit account in a bank, you become an account holder or depositor. It means people become an account holder or depositor. In this way, people's money is safe with the banks and it earns an amount as interest. People also have the provision to withdraw the money as and when they require. Now question arises here, how many types of deposit in bank? Primarily, banks offer two kinds of deposit accounts, demand deposit and fixed deposit. Demand deposit like current and saving account. Demand deposit are repayable on demand. It means people can withdraw the money in any time. The deposit may be withdrawn at any time by simple issuing checks. It is also called checkable deposit because it can be easily withdrawn by checks. They include current and saving accounts, saving deposit also. As such, saving deposit is the part of the demand deposit, but interest rate is low on demand deposit by the bank. Fixed deposit like term or recurring deposit. Fixed deposit are those deposits which cannot be withdrawn until the maturity date. It means it can be withdrawn after fixed time of period. It can only be withdrawn after a prior notice. Generally, banks offer higher rate of interest on the fixed deposit. Why are demand deposit considered as money? Demand deposit are considered as money because they can be withdrawn when required and the money withdrawn can be used for making payments. So they are also considered as a money in the modern economy. Now question arises here, can payments made by check instead of cash? Yes, we can make payments by checks instead of cash. For payment by checks, the person who has an account with the bank make out a check for a specific amount. For example, a shoe manufacturer Atul Vasan for example, a shoe manufacturer M. Salim has to make a payment to the leather supply supplier and writes a check for a specific amount rupees 10,000. This means that the shoe manufacturer instructs his bank to pay this amount to the leather supply. The leather supply takes this check and deposit in his own account in the bank. The money is transferred from one bank account to another account in a couple of days. The transaction is complete without any payment of cash, and in the check written the number of account holder. Here it is a account payee and bank branch code, and it is a branch name and branch code. Check number, it is here. Check number is here. Coding used by bank. It is a sign of the check holder here. The facility of check against demand deposit make possible to direct settle payment without the use of cash. Since demand deposits are accepted widely as a means of payment along with currency, they constitute money in the modern economy. But for the banks, there would be no demand and no payments by checks against these deposits. The modern forms of money, currency and deposits are closely linked to the working of the modern banking system. That's all for today. We will discuss remaining part of the chapter in next video. Thank you.